Yeah, I think there are a number of reasons to do a face-to-face event. I mean, first and foremost, you're going to learn new things, okay? And today was an example of us learning new things. And when I say learning new things, it's not necessarily new ideas, which there were some, but there are also different twists on ideas that we already have in place, which are simple things that we might not have thought about before. Also, in many ways, I'll tell you, it's a great morale boost for your team because there are a number of things that they're doing exceptionally well, and this is a way for their peers to validate what they're doing as well.
You get so many different, I guess, so many different ways of looking at things. You can, you know, when it's just you trying to come up with the answers, it's not always easy, but once you talk to people that are your peers and in the industry, they have lots of good ideas that you can build off of. You don't have to, you know, reinvent the wheel.
I am really glad that I learned that so many people in the landscape industry are very interested in improving their businesses and growing their businesses and creating opportunities for students like me. The greatest benefit in learning face-to-face is that you have instant feedback on your idea, and you're able to give instant feedback to someone who actually wants to listen and hear what you have to say.
It's a very powerful event. I think the ability to network and develop relationships with people as you attend different events is really strong. The follow-up after the meeting, oftentimes I can go and reach out to Jim McCutcheon and say, hey, could you clarify something for me? Or he might even send me a piece of information that I couldn't have gotten during the seminar.
I think learning from our peers is really important to see what's succeeded in other companies and what they can do better. You know, it's wonderful to hear the successes and the trials and the tribulations of people just like me so that we can come together, learn from each other, and make all of our businesses better.
I think the biggest benefit is the camaraderie and gathering of ideas with colleagues and people who face the same challenges and experiences we do. I think it's a no-brainer. You know, there's plenty of business, and especially in our market, which is Metro Atlanta, for everybody. And I think expanding the pie provides a better opportunity for everybody to provide better work at better margins.
Shoot, if I could do it again next week, I'd do it again.